In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to enter your PIN to restore your chats on Messenger. Let's get started. So if you're stuck on the screen, the first thing you should do is refresh the page or close your browser completely and reopen it. Sometimes it's just a temporary loading glitch and a first restart can fix it instantly. Next, make sure you are logging into the correct Facebook account because this PIN is tied to your encrypted chat backup. If you're on the wrong account, the PIN screen may keep looping or not accept your input. If still you are having the issue, clear your browser cache and cookies. All stored data can interfere with Messenger loading properly, especially on desktop. After clearing, restart your browser and log in again. Another helpful fix is to try a different browser, like switching from Chrome to Edge or Firefox. This helps rule out browser-specific issues or extensions blocking the restore screen. You should also disable any extensions like ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers because they can interfere with Messenger's encryption and PIN verification process. If nothing works, try logging out of Facebook completely and logging back in, or attempt the process on a different device to see if the issue is device related, and that's it. These are the best ways to fix Messenger. Enter your PIN to restore your desktop screen on desktop. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.